Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Aya. My name is Fakhrana Meida from B2 class Biology. Now, I want to give my explanation about my answer of the exercise. So, this is the first text. And the main idea is the best years in the history of the company. It's stated at the fourth sentence. The reason is the writer tells about the company's efforts. In the first three sentences, there are costs were low that year and the output high. There was a good person for each job and the market remained firm. And there were no losses from fire. That made it the best year in the company's history. Next, this is the second text. I think the main idea is penicillin is one of the greatest of the wonder drugs, and it's stated at the first sentence. Why? Because the writer writes the main idea in the first sentence, and in the next sentence, the writer explains why the penicillin has been named a very good drug. And the writer also tells the limitation of the drug. That is, penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure at all. Okay, this is the third text. The main idea is unstated. That is, her piano teacher teaches her about music, be patient, work hard, and other life lessons. Why? Because I think the writer implies the main idea of his writing, explaining that when she was a child, she learned piano lessons by a piano teacher, and from that teacher too, she learned about the meaning of life. There are be patient, work hard, and many other. And this is the last text. In my opinion, the main idea of the text is human, animal, and plant cells are very similar. The only difference between them is the kind of genetics information found inside the cell's nuclei. This is stated at the first and the last sentence. The reason is, at the beginning of the sentence, the writer wrote a little about the main idea of the paragraph. That is, plant and animal cells have similarities when compared. For example, compared to the Venn diagram. The two cells explain the same concept with a different approach. Then, the writer continues the main idea of the paragraph at the end of the sentence. Even though animal cells, including human cells and plant cells, have a similarity, there is only one difference between them. It is genetic information in each cell. Okay, Miss, that is all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.